I'm living life, bombs filled with potent. He smoking, lethal doses, he choking. Niggas hating on me cause my life is so dope, kid. Yeah, but I don't really sell no dope, kid. And I don't sell weed, nigga, to the dope kids. But I just chill on the block with my coat, bitch. Leathered out, niggas know that fourth if I stroke quick. I said nigga in the car, hot boxings, inhaling toxins, you fucking so rotten. Niggas like damn while my whole clique plotting, like Bin Laden or some stalkers. I'm like, yeah, sing like the opera. Clock go off and that shit straight pop ya. Niggas call me on my phone, I ain't stopping. I just hit reject and the beat keep popping. But it ain't popping around here, we keep it cracking. Niggas throw it up, yeah, niggas, I'm stacking. Not in the movie, but in my own mind, grooving on the highway. Niggas, I do ya motherfucking trippy. That's what I'm getting. Cause that DMT in my bone where I'm ripping. Now I'm fucking stuck in another new dimension. I love fucking life, did I motherfucking mention? I'm good at rapping, these niggas been hating, they be actors. I'm just chilling back and you know I'm coming back and I'm rapping. Faster than Flash, faster than Dash. Been had the cash, put the madam to your ass and the shit go bonk and your hair go on the ground and his guts all around for what? And his brain fucking stained on the cement on the curb with a motherfucking slab. Them bitches, they got nerves. They sniff that cocaine. I just blow brains off of the top cause it's like I had cocaine. But it's just the Ruger, tourist to do ya. Fuck what you gotta say, I'm moving the mover. Yeah, like the Utah, niggas know I'm coming. Yeah, like a U-Haul, niggas know we running. Drugs in and out of the city, they with me. These niggas hating on me, got your girlfriend dipping. All in my flavors, Kool-Aid she savor. Niggas hating, they think that I'm racist. No, I'm not racist, see these white boys' faces. I'm in the car with a fucking red truck, I'm like a spaceship. Taking off, niggas know the bars, but I'm breaking. Niggas, they be hating cause I'm chipping off their faces. Like they were stone or a glass house. Niggas like, damn, what the hell he amount to? I'm like, nigga, amounting to cash. I'm chilling back and it's my swag that I had. I never had it, dad. The pain that it has in my chest, that's gone now. But niggas know I used to be the long child, long in the wild with the wolves and the bears and the motherfucking killers who love to fucking stare. 50 damn seconds, 50 damn seconds. That nigga like, am I rapping? I hope she think I'm breathless, but I ain't breathless. You better get on my checklist, cause if you not on my checklist, then that's a death wish. Fuck it, my main thing is respect this, and if you don't got it, you gotta die like asbestos infected. Your whole clique, niggas, it's the main shit. Yeah, I'm fucking like the Navy, riding on my main ship, or I'm on the plane again, like I call it jet swag, jet lag. Niggas hating on me cause your bitch gag. When I put that dick up in the mouth, hitting it from the back, poking it, stroking it, sticking it, break her fucking spine. When you know I get up in this shit, niggas like, damn, Smooth Black finish this. It's a rap game, homie, it's the trap game. I'ma live my life, I'ma let it stay the same. Smooth Black, yeah, you better get the name.